Hello, I'm going to show you how to participate in a discussion on Canvas. So open the Canvas app or go to your Canvas page and click on Discussions. Your teacher will either have the discussion here under Pinned Discussions or just Discussions. Maybe you need to do this one, Get to Know Your Classmates. Click on it. When you do a discussion, make sure you read the directions carefully. So for this one, you would need to read what your teacher wants you to do. If you see, please write a paragraph and answer the following questions when you post. Post is when you enter a reply and then it's shown on the internet. So for this discussion, I would need to put my name, my native country, and then answer some other questions. When I'm ready, I go here to reply. Remember, when you reply and you write things on the discussion board, be kind to each other. Be nice to your classmates. So if I'm ready, I'm going to click right here, Reply. And this is what we call a text box. In the text box, I'm going to write a response. I might write, "Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from the United States." If I want to change the font size and make it bigger, I can click here. If I want to change the color, then I need to go here and I can pick a different color. If your teacher wants you to add a picture, maybe of your best vacation or you and your friends, then go here to the picture. If you see it says Embed Image, click on it. Click here on Canvas and you are going to pick a picture from your computer. Click Upload File and pick the picture that you want. Maybe I want this one. Click Open. And if you see, it uploaded. Now go here to Update and click. And here's my picture. You can also, if you want, go here to Attach and then click on Browse, and you could attach whatever file you want. This one puts it right inside. It's called Embed. If you see right here, E-M-B-E-D, Embed Image. So it puts it right in here. Maybe your teacher wants you to say your answer and not type it. So I can delete these and I'm going to record myself speaking. To do that, you need to go here. Record, Upload Media. Click on it. You might get this pop-up. This is asking if Canvas can use your microphone and your web camera. Click Allow. And look, there I am. So I'm going to record me speaking. You need to click here, Start Recording. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from the United States. When you're done, click here, Finish. And then if you want to watch it, click here. This is Play. Hi, I'm Jessica. If you don't like it, you say, "Oh, I don't like it." Click here, Start Over, and you can record again. You can do it again. If you say, "Oh, it's okay, I like it," then here, type a name. So maybe I will call it Jessica's Answers, and then click Save. If you already recorded something on your phone or your computer, you can upload it. If you see here, upload media, click, and then you can do select video file, and then find the file you want. Or if it's just an audio file that you listen to and you don't have a video, you don't see what you look like, you could select the audio file. So this is if you already recorded something, then you could do the audio file or the video file. We just recorded, actually, I just recorded. So if I'm okay with this, then I click save. And if you see, it's right here. If I'm all done, either typing my answer or putting the video or picture in there, click post reply. So when you are finished, click post reply. And if you see, there is my discussion board post. If you want to reply to one of your classmates, find who you want to reply to, and then underneath, click reply. So I want to reply to her, and then I can write whatever I want to say. I think it's great that you like gardening. I like gardening too. And then, if you're done, again, click post reply. On an Android phone, click on the Canvas Student app. Select your class. Now click on Discussions and select the discussion you want to read and respond to. Scroll down and click on Reply. If you see where it says Message, touch there and type your response. You can also add a picture. You can take a photo or choose one from your phone gallery. Click Just Once or Always, and then select the photo you want to add to your message. You can also click on the paperclip at the top to attach a file. You can choose Camera, Gallery, or Device. If I select Device, I can pick the video file that I want to upload. Click on it and it will add it. Now click to post. If you're using an iPhone, click on the Canvas app. Then select your class. Click on Discussions and select the discussion you want to post on. Scroll down and click on Reply. Touch where it says Message and type your response. If you want to add a picture, you need to scroll. So scroll so you can see the button for picture. Click on it and click on the plus sign to attach a file. You can use your camera, upload a file, choose from your library, or go through My Files. Another way to attach a picture or a video is click on the paperclip. Click on the plus sign, and if you see now you have record audio. If you want to record yourself speaking, you can do that here. If you want to do a video, click on Use Camera. It's on photo, but switch it to video, and then you can record yourself. When you finish, if you don't like it, click Retake. If you like it, click Use Video, and then Done. Click Done again, and now it will post. Make sure you read the directions carefully when you are participating in a discussion. For this discussion, the teacher wants students to read a little bit and then watch a movie trailer, and after, answer 3 questions. So make sure you read the discussion questions carefully so you know what to do, especially if you need to respond to one of your classmates. Discussion boards can be a great way to think about things, share your thoughts with others, and also practice your typing or your speaking skills. I hope you have a lot of fun participating in your class's Canvas discussions. Bye!